Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class organized by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Dear students, it's known to you that your annual examination has been cancelled on this year by the Ministry of Education. But you have to submit 18 assignments based on your subject. You have already submitted your English first paper and I have already got the assignment. Okay, dear students, today I am going to conduct a class for class 7 English second paper. Because your second paper assignment will be published next week. So let's go to start at our class. Welcome to online class. Dear students, this is my identity. I have already given you. For class 7, dear learners, can you match the subject with the verbs? Yes, you can do, I know. You have to match from column A to B. I am, yes, I am. He is. They, he reads. They are, it is. Okay, dear students, you have already matched from this subject to verb. I am, he is, they are, it is. He reads. So, can you guess, dear students, what we are going to discuss in our class? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to discuss in our class is right form of verb, that is subject-verb agreement. Okay? Today we are going to discuss in our class right form of verb. Can you choose the correct verb? The National Memorial is oblique are one of the greatest monuments in the history of Bangladesh. The National Memorial is, here it will be is. The National Memorial is one of the greatest monuments in the history of Bangladesh. The Taj Mahal look very beautiful. Since the Taj Mahal is singular, so the Taj Mahal looks very beautiful. And this is the very important note. So dear learners, you must write this note in your notebook. Please do it right now. Verb will be according to the number of subject. If subject is singular, verb will be singular. Okay? Verb will be according to the number of subject. Verb will be according to the number of subject. If subject is singular, verb will be singular. Okay? If verb will be singular. If subject is singular, verb will be singular. Verb will be according to the number of the subject. If subject is singular, verb will be singular. Choose the correct verb. the cheetahs are running. Since the cheetahs are plural, so verb will be plural. That is are. The cheetahs are running. The flowers are. Yes, flower. Since the flowers is plural, so verb will be plural. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. So this is our note. Dear students, you have to write this note in your notebook, please, and you have to also write this example in your notebook. Please do it. Verb will be according to the number of subject. If subject is plural, verb will be plural. Verb will be according to the number of the subject. If subject is plural, verb will be plural. Here subject is plural, so we will write the verb plural verb. And this is also subject is plural, so we have to take plural verb. The flowers are blooming. The cheetahs are running. Okay. Choose the correct verb. Fire is oblique are the most common serious hazard of that of fire is or are the most common serious hazard that one faces. Fire is the most common serious hazard that one faces. Okay. Fire extinguishers is oblique are active fire protection devices used to extinguish or control small fires. So here it will be here fire extinguishers are. Since this is plural, so fire extinguishers are active fire protection devices used to extinguishes or control small fires. Can you choose the correct verb? The color of his eyes is oblique are blue. The color of his eyes is blue because the color is singular. Okay. Here the main subject is color, so verb will be depend on the main subject. Since the subject is singular, so the verb will be singular. The color of his eyes is blue. The color of his eyes is blue. The colors of rainbow attack us. Since the colors, that is plural, so verb will be plural. So verb will be attack. The color of rainbow attack us, not attracts. The color of rainbow attack us. This note, dear students, please write this note in your notebook, please. Sometimes subject becomes parted from verb by prepositional phrase. Sometimes subject becomes parted from verb by prepositional phrase, but the prepositional phrase doesn't have any effect on the subject. Verb will be according to the real subject. Okay. This is very important rules. So you have to write these rules in your notebook, please. Sometimes subject becomes parted from verb by prepositional phrase, but the prepositional phrase doesn't have any effect on the subject. Verb will be according to the real subject. Okay, and this is example. The color of his eyes is blue. The colors of rainbow attack us. Please write in your notebook. I think that you have written on these very important rules in your notebook. So we will go to next. Give the answer using right form of verbs. The mangoes of Rajshahi be famous. It will be the mangoes. Mangoes, that is plural. So verb will be plural. The mangoes of Rajshahi are famous. Okay, dear learners, the mangoes of Rajshahi are famous. The quality of the lychees be good. The quality of the lychees be good. That is, quality is singular, so verb will be singular. Is. The quality of the lychees is good. Can you choose the correct verb? Ratan and Rabbi like or likes to fly kites. Ratan and Rabbi likes or like to fly kite. Since Ratan and Rabbi, they are different person, that's why the subject is plural. So we have to take plural verb. Okay. So we have to put on like. We will take the verb like. Ratan and Rabbi like to fly kite. Okay. Bipasha and Natasha are two daughters of Abul Hayat. Bipasha and Natasha, they are different person. They are two sisters, different persons. So here it will be are. Okay. Since the subject is plural, so you have to take the plural verb. Here are. So we can say that Bipasha and Natasha are two daughters of Abul Hayat. Okay. And this is rules. You have to write these rules in your notebook, please. If in the subject more than one nouns or pronouns are connected with and if the point out different person or things, the verb will be plural. Clear, dear students? I think you have realized these rules. If in the subject more than one nouns, okay? If the subject more than one nouns or pronouns are connected with and, this is and, this is and, these two different pronouns or nouns are connected with and if they point out, if they point out different persons or things, then the verb will be plural. Okay. I think that you have written these rules in your notebook, so we'll go to next slide. Can you choose the correct verb? Slow and steady wins or win the race. Slow and steady wins. Here slow and steady both are same thing. Okay, that's why we will take it singular. Slow and steady wins the race. And the next, bread and butter is my favorite food. Here it will be is, because bread and butter are same things. Whenever we will take it in our breakfast, bread and butter, that time we can mix it before our eating, so we can take it as the same thing. Okay, not different thing. We can take it as the same thing. Bread and butter is my favorite food. This is the note, dear students. Please write this note in your notebook. If in the subject more than one nouns are connected with an. If in the subject more than one nouns are connected with an, and if they point out one persons or things or idea, the verb will be singular. Clear? If they point out one person or one thing, this is one thing. Slow and steady, this is one thing. So we will take it as a singular verb. Okay, singular subject. Slow and steady, this is one thing. And the bread and butter, this is also one thing. We will take it one thing. That's why we will put one. We will put singular verb. Okay. That's why slow and steady wins the race, and bread and butter is my favorite food. Okay. Okay, we will go to next. Give the answer using right form of verbs. Gold and silver be precious metals. Gold and silver are precious metal, because gold or silver, that is totally different things. Okay. Rice and curry are my only food. Yeah, sorry, rice and curry is my only food, because rice and curry, whenever we will have our lunch or dinner, that time we will mix rice and curry. That's why we will take it same things, and we will accept this subject as singular, and that's why we have to write the singular verb. Okay, so rice and curry is my only food. Rice and curry is my only food. Choose the correct verbs and fill the gaps with right form of verbs. This is your pair work or group work. Since you are staying at home, so you have to do it individually, dear learners. The scenery is nice, the plants, you have to do it. Please write it. The scenery is nice. The scenery is nice. You are right. And then the plants are very good. The plants are green. The plants are green. The women in the fields work hard every day. The women in the field work hard every day. Since the woman is plural, so women, singular, women, plural. So we have to take the verb as plural. Okay. Banu and Ranu go to field early in the morning. Banu and Ranu, they are different persons. That's why we will take the verb as plural. So we can write Banu and Ranu go to the field early in the morning. Okay, dear learners, I think you have finished writing this example. Thank you all. Okay, dear students, thanks a lot for your active participation in my class. And you have to very cautious and careful about your assignment, because you have to submit it timely. And all of you have to stay home. Okay, and you have to abide by the rules of health and hygiene. Okay, dear student, and don't go outside without any emergency. Okay, Allah Hafiz.